What's up everybody, welcome back to Zenkei Lab. Today we're going to be installing a Greddy lip for the S14, and what comes with the box is the lip, some instructions that are in Japanese, so it's kind of useless for us, a bag of hardware, and a Greddy sticker. Now the best thing about this lip is that all the holes are already pre-drilled and it matches the factory bumper. So all we're going to do here is hold the lip in place while I put in the hardware, and it should bolt right up. Now there will be a couple of Phillips screws that you will have to remove to get the splash shield or fender liner out of the way in order to bolt on the 10mm bolts. With all the bolts on the lip installed, we're going to go ahead and put back all the Phillips screws holding the fender liner on. Last but not least, we're going to go ahead and install the Greddy sticker. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.